From the 4th of the 5th month of 1446, Exu. I identify with the order of which I enforce. Willingly or not, things will take their course. Ability is stirred with the thinking of any day or hour. An intermediary works between the causal and that beyond association with power. And you can also call this Eshu. And one of the things attributed to Eshu is that it is seen as an intermediary between the humans and Olodumare, which is as a causal of a causals. And the Pambajiras, just like the Exus, are considered in Quimbanda to be the different genders. It's sort of a faith of the places in between. So the Exus are the males, and you see these squarish pitchforks, and you see the rounded pitchforks for the female entities. So fertility and strength is attributed to them.